How to remove background of your profile picture. So to do this, I'm going to use Canva. So you can either use the Canva app or log into canva.com and then log into your account if you have an account. So once you're in Canva here, so what you're going to do, click on create a design. So and then choose what type of design. For example, I'll just choose an Instagram post. So I'm going to do a picture for my Instagram profile picture. So just choose whatever that's based on your preference. Once you choose one, then you get to this create screen here. So when you get to this page here, so now what we're going to do, on your left side menu here, go to the app section. So click on app section. So go to apps, and then under the Canva apps section here, search for background eraser. So background eraser, search for it, and then click on this background eraser tool here, open it up. Once you open it up here, so what we're going to do now is simply choose my profile picture that I want to delete the background or erase the background. So click on choose file. Okay, for example, let me choose my picture here. So I'm going to use this picture. So that's my picture here. So I'm going to hit on remove background. So this is now going to remove your background. It might take a few moments, so you just have got to wait, and it will be done pretty much soon. So there you go, that's it. So that's my profile picture with the background removed. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and a handy tool, and it's also available in the free version. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.